Let us continue with the examples of subordinate clauses. For example, in a sentence like, they will not pass the math exam unless they work harder. In this particular case, the principal clause will be, they will not pass the math exam, because this portion makes complete sense. It can stand on its own. It does not require a separate word or a separate portion to give it any extra meaning. So they will not pass the math exam. This portion is the principal clause. The subordinate clause will be, they work harder. Now automatically they work harder does not make any sense, or rather it does not make any complete sense. It requires another extra word or an extra phrase to make a complete sense. So this becomes your subordinate clause. Now how can the principal clause be connected to subordinate clause? With the help of the conjunction unless. So this sentence becomes, they will not pass the math exam unless they work harder. So conjunctions like than, rather than, whether, whenever, although, even though are all subordinating conjunctions which can be used to join a principal clause with a subordinate clause. Remember, correlative conjunctions and coordinating conjunctions are used to join two principal clauses who are at the same level, but a subordinating conjunction is always used to join a principal clause with a subordinate clause. Now if you look at the Word document which I have already sent to you, you will find a list of subordinating conjunctions. Use them to solve exercises and use them to increase your knowledge of conjunctions. But your basic idea of conjunction is this. Remember, conjunctions are joining words used to join a principal clause with another principal clause or with a dependent or a subordinate clause.